Hey there guys, Demi here. Imagine you're scrolling through Instagram, TikTok, or whatever your vice is. Have you ever wondered why we're so obsessed with tech, yet know very little about where our everyday products actually come from? Now, don't get me wrong, I love tech. Heck, I use AI to boost traditional craftsmanship in my own business. But here's the tea, or should I say, the cold, forgotten coffee. You see, that's what happens when we're all dazzled by tech, but forget about manufacturing. It leaves a bitter taste. Now, let me spill some real facts. 6 out of 10 jobs in Africa is agriculture. Can tech alone turn cocoa into chocolate or cotton into couture? Nope. That's where the real magic comes in. Manufacturing steps in. Look, I'm not pulling this out of thin air. Reports are singing the same tune. Marry tech with manufacturing and we could be looking at adding $300 billion to Africa's GDP by 2025. It's like this epic rom-com that's just waiting to be written. Manufacturing is the girl next door. Tech is the misunderstood bad boy. And together, they're box office gold. So, as you cozy up in your favorite chair and scroll through your feed, dreaming of what could be, remember, our future isn't just a fairy tale, it's a blockbuster movie in the making. Want more juicy insights? Check out my Sisu podcast, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Click that button, follow me on Instagram, and let's make this journey unforgettable. Bye guys.